Bangkok is a city known for many things, and night markets are one of them. Night markets in Bangkok are legendary, especially for foodies and Thai street food lovers like you and I. I've explored and ate through plenty of Bangkok night markets, and I wanted to share with you 10 of my personal favorites. From modern, trendy, and chic markets offering innovative twists on traditional Thai street food dishes, to historical roads brimming with Chinese influences and heritage. Note that Bangkok has way more than 10. I just picked these ones based on my opinion that these are the best for new or seasoned travelers to Bangkok. Affiliate disclaimer. This page contains affiliate links. By clicking on the links and purchasing the product, I will receive a partial commission at no cost to you. All of these products are ones that I fully trust and recommend with my heart. Thank you for your support. In Thailand, street food and night markets go hand in hand. You can expect to find typical dishes like grilled pork skewers or the classic pad krapao, but more often than not, especially in Bangkok, the night markets here are an outlet for vendors to create new deliciousness. A lot of these markets also have spaces where you can sit down and enjoy your food, plus some of them even have stalls selling alcohol and cocktails if you want to relax the night away. Weekend night markets are even a bigger affair. Popular markets like Chatuchak will often host larger numbers of stalls and vendors during the weekends. Many temples throughout Thailand also have temple fairs, such as the Phra Pathum Chedi Annual Festival and the Wat Saket Songkran Festival, which celebrates both the traditions of the temples as well as hosting big open-air markets and often carnival rides and games for locals to entertain and enjoy themselves, shop, snack, and soak up the vibe. Looking to discover the magic of Bangkok's night markets? Check out these amazing Bangkok night market tours below.
Shrimp 80, 70, 100 yung fried calamari. Ito naman yung maliit na mango. Yun. Yung malaki kasamang pag-uog na. Yun naman. Mga buko. Mga tiktik. Ito. Buko. Ay, coconut. Daming tao, ikot to. Ano. Iskat na lang naman. Pasok natin sa loob. Marami kumain sa loob, oh. May music pa. Marami kumakain.
Này bây giờ bên kia lục lại.
Yung street food yung viral. Laki ng tilapia. Ito puro kainan to hanggang dulo sa lamesa. Sa left side may nangarangkada rin dito. Yun, tutulo na sila. Malain. Merong mais. Sa kabilang side, meron naman ito. Lipit ng soft drinks. Minitay ko po na nila ng soft drinks. Yan o. Sa kabilaan to. Okay. Maraming tao dito. Maraming tao.
Chatuchak Weekend Market in Bangkok is a massive market with over 15,000 stalls spread across 26 sections. It's the world's largest weekend market and attracts around 200,000 visitors daily. Here you can find a wide variety of goods from all regions of Thailand, including local delicacies, clothing, second-hand items, home decor, handicrafts, antiques, and even plants. After shopping, you can relax with a traditional Thai massage. The Chatuchak Weekend Market is one of Bangkok's most visited market. With 35 acres of stalls to sprawl through, you'll want to go early. Home to 8,000 stalls, and with up to 20,000 visitors, you'll mix in with the locals too. Bargains you'll find.
Ito ng mga ano. Him aroma. Kasi nasabi nila. So guys, hanggang alas 6 lang daw dito yung pagtitinda nito, kaya ano, daming tao ngayon. Naman parang langgam yung mga tao. Yung famous na street dito sa ano, sa Bangkok, Thailand. Ito na rindanan ngayon doon yung street food. Dito naman yung mga paninda. Yung mga tuwali. Mga luwag. Sara ng mga ano, kahoy. Hanggang dulo to. Maraming tao. Maraming pagbibili mga mura dito, mga paninda. Hanggang dulo yan. Isang ikot dito sa ano. Napakaraming tao ngayong hapon dito. Ibang lahi. Dami rin mga puti ito, sipuntahan dito. Namimili rin kasi dito mura yung mga items dito. So, mga damit. Mura lang, 100 baht. Yes. Magit. Hanggang dulo. Tingnan rin natin. Grabe, daming tao.
Then, look at the price. What the fuck?
The one you like? Ito mga bag, mga short, pantalon. Mga gold, silver. Ito naman mga pangpaganda.
Range from clothing, accessories, handicrafts, ceramics, furniture and home decorations, books, antiques, artwork, plants, and even pets. See less. Range from clothing, accessories, handicrafts, ceramics, furniture and home decorations, books, antiques, artwork, plants, and even pets. See less a range from clothing, accessories, handicrafts, ceramics, furniture and home decorations, books, antiques, artwork, plants, and even pets. See less.
Bakit magkita-kita? Wallet 20 baht. Bag. Yan mga ano, pang cellphone. 20 baht lang. Bag. Wallet. Bag, marami. Walang wallet. Ano cellphone na? 60. Sa Pinas lang. Ito naman, same aroma. Bangkok. Yung mga t-shirt to.
Gusto mo? Nag-aalam. Sarap mamili ko marami ang pera.
Ah. Ah, wais na. Oh. Tapang yung bahay no. Masusil po niya. Bakla. Bakla to no. Bakla yun no.
Alin?
Pang kalubungan. Hanggang dito na lang guys yung live natin. Ito medyo gabi na, daming pa ng tao.
times before. Ito naman mga sapatos, oh.
Ang 10 dito piso.
Oh.
10. 10 baht piso.
That's all I said.
Lupit yung antina ng cell site dito sa ano, sa Bangkok, sa poste na ng ano, ng kuryente. Yan oh, poste lang. Sibladan. Guys, tumalupit dito yung ano, yung D-Max ni Susog, nagawa lang ano, pangkargahan ng mga panindaw. Ganda pa ng mags niya. Ganda pa ng mags na nakamags, yun na walang ano, paninda. D-Max malakas ito, ito D-Max din. D-Max sa kalam.
Wala man yan dito.
Lupit dito yung paninda nila dito, night ano. Hindi pa night market. So ano na, wala 5 na. Grabe tao. Naman guys, mga ano, mga eyeglass. Mga ito, butik pa no. Electric pa.
I do sometimes.